Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create account with Royal Caribbean Cruise. Royal Caribbean is cruise line brand known for its driving innovation at sea. To create account with Royal Caribbean Cruise, first open any web browser available on your device. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.royalcaribbean.com. Then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to official website of Royal Caribbean. Now click on the option of sign in on top right. With that, here you'll be taken to the sign in page. Now click on create an account option on the downside of the box. With that, here you'll be taken to the sign up page. Now here you need to fill all the information and make sure the information matches exactly to your valid government issued ID. So first enter your first name on the given box, then enter your last name, then enter your date of birth, select your month, day and enter your year. With that, select your country or region of residence. Then enter your email address. With that, now here you need to create a strong password for your account. Then here you need to select one security question for your security and verification process on future. Then you need to enter the answer of the question. Now, if you would like to receive special offers, travel trips and other information by mail, then you can click on the given box. Similarly, now view through terms of use and privacy policy, then click on the box stating that you agree to those. You need to agree to the following terms so that you can create an account. With that, click on the option of create account. With this, you'll be able to create your Royal Caribbean Cruise account. As you can see here, my account Hanet has been created. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.